See, coming to mixed groups. In mixed group, what they give? X men or Y women or Z children can do a work in n days. What does it mean? X men can complete the work in n days. Y men also take n days. Z children also will take n days. They are completing the work in same amount of time. It means efficiency of this group is equivalent to efficiency of this group and efficiency of this group. It means efficiency of X men is equivalent to efficiency of Y women equivalent to efficiency of Z children. Okay, let us see example. 3 men or 4 women can do a work in 12 days. Then in how many days 3 men and 4 women can do the same work? Simple. 3 men taking 12 days. 4 women are also taking 12 days. It means 3 men's efficiency is equivalent to 4 women's efficiency. Clear? Now you can replace 3 men with 4 women, or you can replace 4 women with 3 men. What is the question is asking? 3 men and 4 women can do the work in how many days? Okay. Now can I replace this 4 women with 3 men? So simply the question is nothing but 6 men can do the work in how many days? Simple. If 3 men are taking 12 days, 6 men will take how many days? That is what you have to find. 3m ones, 3m twos, 2 ones, 2 6. So together they can come to the work in 6 days. That's all. Very simple. Let us do extension of this. 3 men or 4 women can do a work in 12 days. Then in how many days 1 man and 1 woman can do the same work? Here, earlier case, 3 men and 4 women, as the efficiency is same, they can complete the work in 6 days. But here 1 man and 1 woman, so we don't know how much part of work they are doing per day. How to tackle these kind of questions? We know that efficiency of 3 men is equivalent to efficiency of 4 women. 4 women, let us say they are doing 12 units per day. This is very important step. Okay, 12 units per day. I am assuming this. Why I am taking 12? To make my calculation simple. How would I know that I have to take only 12? Simple. What is the coefficient of men here? 3. What is the coefficient of women here? 4. Simply take the LCM of 3 and 4. So you will get this. Now 3 men are doing how many units per day? 12 units per day. How many days they take to complete the work? 12 days. So total work equivalent to number of days into work done per day. That equals to how much? 144 units. Total work is 144 units. Now what is the question? If 3 men are taking 12 units, doing 12 units per day, 1 man will do how many units per day? 4 units per day. Similarly, 1 woman will do how many units per day? 3 units per day. Because 4 women together are doing 12 units per day. So 1 woman will do 12 by 4, which is 3 units per day. Now the question here is 1 man and 1 woman. So 1 man and 1 woman together are doing how many units per day? 7 units per day. Together they are doing 7 units per day. If they work together, the total work can be completed in how many days? What is the total work? 144. And what is the work done per day? 7. Simplify this. 720 is 144 by 7. So 24 by 7 days. See here, 3 men or 6 children can do the work in 12 days. In how many days 3 men and 6 children can do the work? Simple. Efficiency of 3 men is same as efficiency of 6 children because using the word or. If 3 men can do the work in 12 days. Okay. Now 3 men and 6 children. These 6 children can be replaced with 3 men. These 6 children can be replaced with 3 men because these two efficiencies are same. Then 6 men can do the work in how many days? The question is 3 men and 6 children. These 6 children can be replaced with 3 men. That is nothing but 6 men. Okay, because efficiency of 6 children is equal to efficiency of 3 men. So replacing 6 children with 3 men. So 3m plus 3m, which is nothing but 6m. Simple. 3 men and 6 children can do the same work. That is nothing but 6m can do the work in how many days? Okay, simple. 3m into 12 equivalent to 6m into d. 3 ones, 3 twos. So d equals to 6 2 ones, 2 sixes. 6 days is an answer. Here 3 men or 6 children means efficiency of 3 men equal to efficiency of 6 children. Assume that they are doing 6 units per day. How I am choosing 6 units? Simply assume that they are doing 6 units per day. How I am getting this 6? Simply LCM of 3 and 6. If 3 men are doing 6 units per day, 1 man will do how many units per day? 2 units per day. 1 children will do how many units per day? 1 unit per day. What is the total work? Total work equivalent to what is given? 3 men can do a work in 12 days. It means 3 men 1 day's work. How much are taking? 6 units, because 3 men are doing 6 units per day. How many days they require to complete the work? 12 days. It means total work is 72 units. 72 units. What is the question is asking? 1 man and 1 children. 1 man and 1 children can do the same work in. So total number of days required, days equivalent to total work. What is total work? 72 units. And how many units they are doing per day? With efficiency of 1 man and 1 children. 1 man is doing 2 units and 1 children is doing 1 unit. So 2 plus 1. 72 by 2 plus 1, that is nothing but 72 by 3. That equals to 24 days. Next one. 3 men or 4 women or 6 children can do a work in 12 days. It means 3 men can do a work in 12 days, 4 women can do a work in 12 days, 6 children can do a work in 12 days. Then in how many days 3 men, here what is the given information? 3 men can do a work in 12 days, 4 women can do a work in 12 days, 6 children can do a work in 12 days. Okay, it means efficiency of 3 men equals to efficiency of 4 women equals to efficiency of 6 children. Then in how many days 3 men and 4 women and 6 children can do the work? Simple. If 3 men take 12 days, so 3m into 12, this is the total work. We know that efficiency of 3 men equal to efficiency of 4 women. It means these 4 women can be replaced with 3 men. Similarly, these 6 children can be replaced with 3m. What is the total efficiency has become? 3 plus 3 plus 3 with 9 times the men's efficiency. Okay, how many days is required? That's what I have to find. 3 ones, 3 threes, 3 ones, 3 fours. So D equal to 4 days. See here, 3 men or 4 women or 6 children can do a work in 12 days. We can say that efficiency of 3 men equals to efficiency of 4 women equals to efficiency of 6 children. They are taking how many days? 12 days. Then in how many days 1 man, 1 woman and 1 children can do the same work? Here, how to tackle this question? Let us find work done per day. Let us assume that 3 men or 4 women or 6 children will do 12 units per day. How we are choosing this 12? Nothing but LCM of 3, 4 and 6. Why I choose 12? To make our calculation simple. Now 3 men are taking how many days to complete the work? 12 days. This was given. But 3 men are doing how many units per day? 12 units per day. So total work equivalent to work done per day, that is 12 units per day, into number of days it took to complete the work, which is given 12 days. So total work equal to 144. But what is the question? 1 man plus 1 woman and 1 children can complete the work in. If 3 men are doing 12 units per day, 1 man will do how many units per day? 4 units per day. If 4 women are doing 12 units per day, 1 woman will do how many units per day? 3 units per day. If 6 children are doing 12 units per day, 1 children will do how many units per day? 2 units per day. All 3 together doing how many units per day? 9 units per day. So time required to complete the work is equals to time required to complete the work, or days required to complete the work is nothing but total work divided by work done per day. What is work done per day? 9. On simplification, you get 16 days.